Hello and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
An expert guide to using argan oil in your beauty routine. As a long-standing ingredient used in the beauty industry, argan oil has been hailed for its countless beneficial properties, often labeled miracle oil or liquid gold. Here we give you a rundown of everything you need to know about this much-loved ingredient, from where it comes from to what it's used for and how you can incorporate it into your beauty routine. What is argan oil? Argan oil is produced from the kernels of a nut found inside the argan fruit from the Argania spinosa tree, native to southwest Morocco. The outer flesh of the nuts are removed and the hard shells are cracked open to expose the kernels. These are then cold pressed, which involves grinding them using a low heat. This produces a thick paste, which is then further pressed to extract the oil. The heat is kept low to preserve all the nutrients and taste of the oil. On average, it takes around 25 to 30 kg of the argan fruit to create 2 to 2.5 kg of kernels, which in turn produces 1 liter of oil. This process often takes a day or two when done manually. Due to its lengthy production time, it's typically considered an expensive oil. Hence, it has the nickname of liquid gold. Oils vary in weight and absorption rate, which is important to note when using them in skincare. Due to its relatively small molecules, argan oil has a quick absorption rate and is classed as a mid-weight oil, meaning that it isn't too heavy or too light. What is argan oil used for? Traditionally, the oil was used by Morocco's Berber tribe for its medicinal and healing properties. It was also used to help hydrate and protect skin from the harsh sun and dry desert climate. Over the years, it became a staple in many North African households, used in food and on the skin and hair. Rich in vitamin E, fatty acids and squalene, argan oil is used to treat a multitude of skin concerns such as dryness, eczema and scarring. The fatty acids and squalene help to seal in moisture, while vitamin E helps to soothe skin, protect against environmental aggressors and act as an anti-inflammatory. Argan oil also contains carotenoids and phenols, which work as antioxidants to protect against harmful free radicals. When your skin is exposed to environmental aggressors like pollution and harmful UV rays, it produces free radicals. These are unstable molecules that damage the cells in your body, which can cause the body to age or become ill. Antioxidants work by neutralizing the free radicals, which in turn helps to slow down the process of aging and keep the body healthy. Argan oil has a comedogenic rating of 0, which means that it doesn't clog pores either. It actually helps to regulate oil production, making it great for acne-prone skin. As well as being a great moisturizer for the skin and hair, the vitamin E and antioxidants help to promote hair growth and keep the scalp healthy. It also helps to tame frizz and flyaways. Can everyone use argan oil? Pure argan oil is generally suitable for all skin types. Although classed as a botanical oil due to its source, it may cause irritation to those with tree nut allergies. If you fall within this bracket, it's always best to seek advice from a professional first. When used in beauty products, it's important to look out for other ingredients which may not be suitable. Example, avoid fragrance products if your skin is sensitive. With all beauty products, a patch test is advised to ensure it's right for you. How to find the best argan oil? The quality of argan oil varies on the market. For example, it may not always be extracted by the cold pressed method or may have been exposed to conditions which have caused it to spoil over time. If purchasing pure argan oil, it's important to check a few things to ensure it is 100% pure. The ingredients should say 100% argan oil or 100% Argania spinosa kernel oil. High quality argan oils are often packaged in dark colored bottles. Example, a brown glass bottle. This helps to protect the oil from light and prevent it spoiling. Avoid any argan oil packaged in a clear plastic container. It should have a mild nutty scent which disappears once absorbed on the skin. The texture should be smooth and silky. To maximize the shelf life of your argan oil and prevent it from being contaminated, store it in a cool, dark space with the lid tightly closed. What beauty products contain argan oil? Argan oil is found in a diverse array of beauty products, from hair styling products to facial moisturizers. So, this video was discovering the benefits of the versatile ingredient argan oil. Thank you for watching the video.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.